Have you heard that this small plant can boost your testosterone naturally? What if I told you the truth might surprise you? If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it. Today, we will talk about Tribulus terrestris and the real truth behind this so-called testosterone booster. Tribulus terrestris is a plant that has been used in traditional medicine for many years. Many supplement companies claim that it can increase testosterone, improve strength, and boost male performance. But what does science really say? Several studies show that Tribulus does not significantly increase testosterone in healthy men. Even athletes who used it did not see major changes in their hormone levels. So why is it still popular? Tribulus may help improve libido, meaning sexual desire. Some men also report better energy and mood after using it. This is likely because it affects certain brain chemicals, not testosterone itself. For men over 50, this is important. As we age, testosterone naturally decreases. Many people look for natural boosters to fix this problem. But relying only on Tribulus may lead to disappointment. Another concern is product quality. Some supplements contain very little real Tribulus. Others may be mixed with unsafe ingredients. Always check for third-party testing and reliable brands. Also, Tribulus is not for everyone. People with heart problems, prostate issues, or who take medication should talk to a doctor first. So what is the real conclusion? Tribulus terrestris is not a magic testosterone booster. It may help with libido and mild energy support, but it cannot replace healthy lifestyle habits. For better testosterone health, focus on good sleep, regular exercise, balanced diet, and stress control. These habits work better than any pill.